Hi everyone. I was wondering today that we put so much of focus on how to clear the interview, what kind of questions will be asked, how do you answer those questions, what kind of company it will be, and will I really get a job or not. So, this is the perspective of an employee or a job seeker. But what about the perspective of the company or the organization which is going to onboard that person? Whenever somebody comes into a new company, they are sometimes listless. In case of it's a fresher, they have no idea what to expect. Because whatever they've learned in their university or college, it is not always a match to what the workplace has to offer or the workplace they are getting into. People also read through the JD, the job description, and they also evaluate, will I be able to take up this role? Can I take all these responsibilities? How is the work environment going to be? Will there be somebody to guide me and help me understand if I goof up, if I make a mistake, or if I don't get something right? Am I going to get scolded or am I going to let go? So, all of these fears are valid. But today, I want to talk about something slightly different, the other aspect of the same thing. What about the employer's responsibility? What about the organization's responsibility into making sure that the person's onboarding is smooth, it's seamless, and the hand-holding is really good? What can an organization do to make its people valued, welcome? So, here are some pointers. I wrote a post about this in the morning today on LinkedIn. You can read the entire post there, but I'll just tell you the highlights. So I wrote, let's break down the key aspects of effective onboarding and how to make new hires feel welcome. Creating a warm welcome message. Introducing them to the work environment and to their colleagues, and also to everybody where the facilities are, where they can go and have their break, where can they sit and have a conversation, who to approach, just in case if they have a problem. Does the organization have a helpline number? Do they have somebody in HR who looks after the employee welfare? Assisting with task execution. This is really important. You can't just put them in a corner, tell them, oh, this is your chair, or this is where you sit, and then just go, or ask them to do something which they haven't done before. So assisting them, holding their hand, shadowing them, giving them a buddy, with whom they can practice something. All of these are really important. So, are you taking care of your new hires? Are you taking care of their needs? Are you making them feel welcome? Think about it.